Let's try making Japanese curry.
Whenever I watch anime or even real life, I always see that Japanese curry is a lot thicker and smooth as compared to some other Pakistani curries that we have, which are more oily and thin. Okay, it's not spicy at all.
Put green chili, some.
Yeah, it needs more spice, right?
Yeah.
And to make this, I'm going to be following the instructions on the back of a spicy Japanese curry mix. In a pot, I'm going to add some oil and brown some beef along with carrots and potatoes. Cover this with water and boil it. Don't forget the onions, which I almost did. And then let this simmer for about 15 minutes before adding in your packets of Japanese curry. Now this has all the seasonings and the flavors and the salt, and then it should thicken up like this.
I taste a lot of turmeric. I guess that's what Japanese people may use in their curry powder. And honestly, I don't know how authentic these curry cubes are. I always see these at my local Asian supermarkets. If it's authentic, let me know. If not, let me know how I can make this from scratch, because as compared to what I usually eat in terms of Pakistani cuisine, this is a bit more on the basic side. There's not a whole lot of complex spices in here. It's honestly just maybe a lot of turmeric, not really a lot of chili powder. You don't really taste any coriander or cumin. I don't feel my taste buds going crazy. It's just very monotone. It's not a bad meal. It didn't really take too much time. I'm giving this maybe a 7.1 out of 10. Okay, so this is a Japanese curry. Give it a try.
बिल्कुल वो है फीका.
Pika, meaning
नो स्पाइसी. इनका बिल्कुल ऐसा लगे ये लोग तो स्पाइसी खाते हैं चाइनीज. हाँ.
it's not Chinese, Japanese.
और जापानीज अच्छा. जो स्पाइसी होता है मैं सारा खा लेती.